If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Steam, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client on your computer. Enter your account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access account details. Once logged in, click on your profile name in the top right corner. Select account details from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage your subscriptions. In the account details section, look for the Store and Purchase History area. Click on Manage your subscriptions to view all active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Review the list of subscriptions and find the one you wish to cancel. Click on the subscription to open its details. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #rock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should no longer see recurring charges for the selected subscription on your Steam account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Steam support for help.